All right, we're back, day 2. I'm gonna do some more demo today, try to take down a couple walls, get some more drywall out, and get it ready for next week for some serious construction. So I guess we'll start out back and make sure we don't have anyone sleeping out back, since we kind of took out the pull-out couch and bed for the night. So, on my demo pile from yesterday. Door still looks secure. Looks good. Nothing crazy. Let's check this couch. Nope. All right. Well, here's a lot of the stuff that I took out yesterday. A lot of just miscellaneous junk and walls and drywall and you name it. So we'll head back in and get some more work done today. All right, so here we are. Looks a little bit more organized from yesterday. Somewhat. I did find out that all that stuff that was in that closet, all the airplanes and coolers and stuff, they actually belong to one of the next door neighbors who knows the previous owner. And he had a lot of his stuff stored over here and wasn't able to get in touch with the previous owner. So he stopped by yesterday and he's gonna come get all of this stuff that belongs to him tomorrow. So that'll be nice, because I have no idea what to do with remote controlled airplanes and stuff. So a lot of this junk he'll get out tomorrow. And then I'm just gonna start doing some demo, or I think we're gonna rip this closet out. And we were able to kind of get some ideas on what we wanted to do with the layout yesterday. Here's the kitchen. I have to board that door up. I have to screw it shut every night until we get it secured. But we're gonna take this wall out. We're gonna take that wall out to kind of open this kitchen up to the living room area. So it'll be that wall that's going out, that wall. So this will be all opened up from the kitchen to the living room area. And so that's what I'm gonna do this afternoon, hopefully. And yeah, hopefully all goes well. All right, well, I got the wall open to the kitchen, from the living room and the kitchen. Look how much that really opens this space up, brings that light through. It's amazing. It makes this space look so much bigger than what it was before. So this will open up directly into the kitchen. Here's from the back door view. So, yeah, that'll open it up a lot. So we'll be putting a beam up on the top there so we can take this wall out. And then we'll probably, where this corner is, where this closet used to be, that corner right there, we'll probably be knocking that out and pushing that wall there closer here towards the kitchen. And we'll probably open up this closet area a little bit more. We're trying to decide yet if we keep, when we put the wall here for the kitchen, maybe bumping it back a little bit into where that closet is, so we can have a space for the refrigerator to fit into to really keep the kitchen open. So probably steal some of this for the refrigerator. The other side of it might be a small little linen closet. And then we might actually take this bathroom wall separating the kitchen and bump that back to the left a little bit as you're looking at it. So it's coming along. I think it make a big difference once this wall is out and we actually have a floor in and you can see what we're looking at. So cool. We're getting there. Day 2 progress, looking good.